don't pass this video. You cannot be wasting your data on TikTok, Facebook Lens, and Instagram just watching free videos without making money online. You can't be doing that. This is 2024 and things must change. You can see my account right here. This is Osakwe Nelson channel. You can see that this very account I've earned about $208, and right now I have about $12 waiting to be withdrawn. So you can't just be strolling, wasting your data without making money online. This particular platform I'm about to show you is capable of making you $1,000 to even $5,000 depending on how serious you take the platform. You can see that I've earned money with this platform, and this platform I'm talking about is called Dollar For Us. Dollar For Us is just an affiliate income platform where you earn commission by referring people and also by doing other digital tasks, and they have digital product that you can sell, and the sign up fee is just 1,500 naira, $3, and it's one-time registration fee. So I'm going to walk you through the step by step on how you can sign up an account with Dollar For Us. Let me log out from my account so that I can show you step by step on how you can simply sign accounts with Dollar For Us and start making money with this very platform, because this is 2024. You cannot stay without making money online for yourself. Now let's wait as you open to my account. You can see, let's click on this three icon right here. Let's click on this three icon right here and go to register. Go to register. I want to show you step by step on how you can simply sign up an account with Dollar For Us and you get started with making money online for yourself, because you can't be wasting your data. Guys, you are using money to buy data now. Reason them now. Now all you need to do, you put in your first name here. You put in your first name, your last name, then your email address, your username, your password, and your phone number. Then country, you can choose your country. They have different kinds of country, African country that you can select. All you need to do is choose your country and you are good to go. Now when it comes to payment method, this payment method right here, all you need is to input your bank account information. And the cool thing is that you can even use OPay, PalmPay, any wallet. You can use. All you need to do, you put it right here. Then there is a link, there is a code at the top of this screen right now. You copy the code right here. There's going to be a space for you to input the code. So all you need to do, you input the code and you sign up an account. Then you go ahead to make the payment of 1.5 and your account will be registered, and within 24 hours your account will be activated. But if you don't want to go through that process, all you need to do is use the WhatsApp number at the screen right there to send me a message on WhatsApp. I will sign you up immediately and also activate your account immediately without wasting for the 24 hours approved process. So guys, you must make money online. So see you inside.